Ayurveda. Ayurvedic is very beautiful. इसलिए your the time is Ayurveda very young. No English medicine.
Ayurvedic medicine. 500 years old. Sugar canes. Sugar cane machine. Ginger. Tipo, Sultans, Summer Palace. We make a little selfie here, all of us.
No, we are coming here for our training, our science training. We are going to Kupam. Yeah, we are going to Kupam, Andhra Pradesh. But meanwhile we are visiting because we have a train at 4:50.
This one palace name Tipo Sultan Summer Palace.
Summer Palace.
Yes.
Summer Palace.
This palace foundation 1781.
1781.
Tipo Sultan father Hyderabad is Muslim.
Yes.
This 1791 completed by son Tipo Sultan. This only is a wooden palace. This only one piece, one tree.
This was an Hindu detail we got there, but a Muslim detail inside there.
No English medicine, Ayurveda. Ayurvedic is very beautiful. इसलिए your the time is Ayurveda very young. No English medicine.
Ayurvedic medicine. Tipo Sultan
Tipo
sitting.
Sultan sitting.
Why was he sitting here? And looking out at his soldiers?
Yes.
And will people come to meet him here?
Yes,
He
this
will
is
sit up
court.
here and they will come and talk to
Yes.
him. Yeah.
Come, this is court.
Yeah.
It's his mother's place.
Mother.
Okay, and over here, wife number one sat. Okay, and over here,
Yes, look, his friends is back.
over here, wife number two.
Two, what come this way?
And how many children?
7.
7 children. Okay. That's very impressive. A hard-working person. So this was ladies.
Yes, ladies. Janana. Urdu name is Janana.
Yeah.
The side is Mardana. Mardana meaning gents and Janana and ladies.
At the other
Total
side,
160 pillar, total complete palace. This palace main capital city, this is Mysore, Srirangapatna.
300.
Srirangapatna, only Bangalore to 120 kilometer. Tipo Sultan is capital city.
Okay.
Tipo mother Rakshan, Tipo wife is Akshan. Two wife Savichila. All is ladies.
Oh, the ladies. will come
Ladies,
on this
ladies
side.
coming this side, that side is gents.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
A wonderful park in front of the palace. The big bull temple. Nandi. Here is Nandi. Oh, I see. Photos is strictly forbidden. That's not good. We take a very quick photo of this fantastic bull. Very beautiful decorated Nandi here. "500 years old. This is the bull temple. Yeah. Very nice. Parvati? This is the flyway We're going under the flyway.
100 meters, turn left onto City Road.
And we are approaching KR Market. The Golden Temple in Bangalore.
Head northeast.
This really is India. Vibrant and chaotic. And this is the KR Market. There is a fresh smell of coriander here. Very nice smell of coriander. He's afraid of photography. These are holy lucky cows. And these are nice oranges. Sugar canes. Sugar cane machine. Ginger. Very nice. Ananas. Ananas. This is the inner market. Very lively and beautiful market. Very lively and beautiful market.